guys, welcome to the UFO Watchtower. What a funky, unique, cool place that you're able to camp here in Colorado. I'm super excited. I love all things aliens. So this is like super cool for me, even if we don't see a UFO or anything like that. But it is very windy today. So that's a negative. But positive is that we are the only ones here at camp. That means we can run rampant. Let's pop the cab and then go check out the UFO Watchtower. I love stuff like this, I don't know why. Should we go check out this UFO tower? What do you think, Mom? Come on, little one. Let's go, come on. I feel bummed that we can't have a fire. I've been trying for several nights to a fire at camp, and for whatever reason keeps my plans keep getting messed up.
We have to go check out alien stuff, Miss Thing. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to get out of bed, if that's okay. Do you care? Are you tired? Too bad. Come on, Gil. Oh, it's time to go check out aliens. Oh.
When I carry her, I feel like I have a baby. My little toddler.
All right, come on.
Oh yeah, kiddos. There you go. Ooh. Come on. Okay, bub, stop. You're attached to your sister. Hi guys, I'm interrupting this video to talk to you about today's sponsor, BetterHelp. As you guys know, I love BetterHelp. Loved them and used them before they ever wanted to partner with me, and it is a great way to get therapy online. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy more affordable and accessible for everybody, and that's one way that they're doing it. Everything is online accessible. I love BetterHelp. I truly think if everybody went to therapy, this world would be such a better place. Don't you agree? They make it super easy to get started. All you have to do is you go online, fill out a questionnaire, tell them a little bit about yourself, tell them what you're looking for in a therapist. In just a couple days, they've got you matched up with a potential therapist. Now, what's great about it is it's up to you if you like that therapist or not. And if you decide you want to go with a different therapist, sometimes it takes people a few tries, totally normal. You can switch it online straight from the app. No confrontation. You don't have to tell anybody you don't like them. You go online, you click a button, and you get a new therapist for your next session. That's amazing, okay? My therapist is the light of my life, okay? Shout out Cirilla, we love her. I feel like she clocks things that I never would even think of. So there's several ways that you can make therapy work for you. It's not always just like sitting down and spilling your guts. Sometimes it's like, how do I get more efficient? There's so many ways that they can help you. If you decide you wanna give BetterHelp a try, which you should, you can use this code right here and get 10% off your first month. Go try it out. Go find your own personal Cirilla. Okay. All right. Back to regularly scheduled programming. Oh, cool. Man, they seem okay, Bubby, it's okay. Thing is creepy. Bubby, it's okay. Smell, look. It's okay. It's okay. This place kind of reminds me of Slab City. What do you think, bub? like all the random art.
Come on, guys.
Bubby, I should look up if there's even been UFO sightings here. Is this kind of like a art piece, or is this like they actually get sightings here all the time? Look at all these alien guys. Do you guys remember last year when I went to that bunker and we named that alien Roberto? Anybody?
But Italian.
An Italian name?
Yeah? Your grandfather? Where is
His name's Robert.
Robert?
Roberto.
Roberto. It's a
That's his
Roberto!
name.
Yeah, his name, the alien is Roberto.
I kind of feel like I should put a roaming reckless sticker on here. Probably, right? That's what my go bag says. My little survival bag from my brother. Come on, guys. All right, do you guys want to climb it or what? Okay. My two favorite things are aliens and Sasquatch. Come on. It's okay, Mama. I forgot she's afraid of like new concrete and floors. Kind of takes her a while to get used to stuff. Come on. Good girl. What do you guys think? Yeah, you probably don't like this grate, huh? Have you had enough, Mama? I think that little hut right there is open in the morning. It's too late right now to go into it, so we'll have to come back and check that out. But we gotta go play fetch with Blue because he's being a menace right now. Literally as I say that. Okay, okay, drop. Drop. Yeah, I know. Drop. Okay. Bubby's like, enough, it's playtime. Good job, Mom. Now let's go. Come on. Alrighty. Bubby, hold on. There you go, girl. Oh, it's a little gift shop. Cute. We'll stop back tomorrow morning for sure. Get a souvenir. We're gonna need a sticker. Playtime, Papa. Yeah? You need to get your energy out? I would think so. Alright. Good to go. Your Bucky's crocodile. Oh, the wind just carried it back. Good job! Go run! Nice, Mama. What's the time? Man, it is so windy here. Oh, no, I'm getting you water. Drop. What an athlete. Good job. Here you go, handsome. Ugh. You guys know what group of people I don't understand? Those who don't like sparkling water. Like, how do you live? Oh, there's nothing better. Get your toy, bub. Get your toy. Go. Good boy, drop. You are so well trained.
Very nice.
Oh. Rude. Anybody else that has an Aussie, does your dog just absolutely bulldoze you or just mine?
Joking.
Dinner time. What do we want? I just stocked up at Trader Joe's. The most affordable, amazing. I love Trader Joe's. It saves me so much money. I don't know what I want though. I'm feeling something just a little simple and quick tonight because I don't really feel like getting into anything too crazy. Perfect. Also, such great creamer for coffee. Kiss. Love you. Okay, bye. Someone please remind me in the comments that I need to go pick up more propane because I'm almost out, and I know by the time I edit and upload and, you know, set this public, I'm gonna forget. And then I'm gonna go to cook and gonna be out. Thanks. Were you hoping to catch some burrito, bub? Something that Blue and I have done since he was a puppy is we share berries. Honestly, it started because I used to get blueberries, and when Blue was a puppy, he was so hyper. You could walk that dude like 5 miles a day, and it would just, and you could play fetch all day long, and you could do a bunch of training and mental stimulation. If you have an Aussie puppy, you know what I mean? They're just nuts. And so I used to get blueberries, and I would like throw them across the kitchen floor, and he would like run and get them. So it was just like another way to make him run and work for anyways. But now it's our thing anytime I have some, I have to share them. Good job, bub. Alright, last one. You can't have too many. Good job. Very accurate and cute. Good job, Bubby. Okay, where is my spatula? Where is it? It's gotta be in here, yeah? Aha! Alright, one more. There's just nothing like heating up a burrito, you know what I mean? You guys, tell me what you think about this, okay? I have this idea that I think I'm gonna start like a little YouTube Shorts series on top of main channel videos, obviously. Maybe like we'll do it every Tuesday or something. Pick a day of the week, and I do a YouTube short where you guys send me in a recipe that you want me to cook, and I will cook it in the truck during one of the nights that I'm camping. I think it would be a fun way for me to learn how to cook, and you guys to send in recipes that you probably hilariously are gonna send me, like beef Wellington, and you're just gonna try to watch me cook that. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. It's something I'm considering right now. You guys know I'm not a huge chef, right? I'm like so excited that all I have to do tonight is heat up a burrito, but it made me think of that. It would be cute too, cause like we would shout you guys out. It'd be like a way for you to be on the channel too. I don't know. I think it'd be fun. What would we call it? Cooking with Rhea? That's too simple. Wrecking food with Rhea. Come on now. Marketing genius over here. I really hope my first submissions would be like peanut butter and jelly. Ramen noodles, Marie. You can do it. I would still find a way to mess it up somehow. Okay, that side is not done yet. Are you the cutest dog alive? Yes, you are. You're getting fed in. You have dinner in 25 minutes, bub. It's coming up. Promise. Look at me already burning this. Like, how do I mess stuff up that easily? Alright, Alright, one last side and then we're done. Yeah, I guess I do need to learn how to cook, huh? Yikes. Baby, you mad? Why is he so bad? You still have 20 minutes. Aussies. Alright. Yum. Trader Joe's for the win. Guac salsa, where are you? Thank you. A staple from Trader Joe's, by the way. Very good. So I did some research on the UFO tower to see if there's actually been any UFO sightings. So this place was created when the owner was facing bankruptcy, and so she created like the UFO Watchtower out of one of her old barns, from what I understand, because there were people sneaking onto her property all the time trying to look for UFOs anyways. I guess it's like a great place to do it because of the open sky. And so since then she's like held conferences here of people who have claimed to have been abducted and all of that. I don't know. I think it's more of a novelty, but people really do come here to watch for UFOs because of the location and sightings and things like that, so. Stop looking at me like that. This freaking diva. Do your guys' dogs also just absolutely give you murderous looks when you when it's like 20 minutes till dinner time? You are wild. Alright, Grumpy Gills. There you go. Mama gets the big bowl today. Oh! Oh, girl, you're tangled. Let me help you out. Hold on. Go, girl. Yeah. It's a nice little girl. Nummy, nummy. Bubby, are you feeling less grumpies? A little sunset stroll. Look at this little house. What the heck is this? Looks like you live here, Mama. Aww. Cute. Yeah. Alright, you guys, it's starting to rain. Come on, we gotta get back to Poe. Come on! Alright, kids, come on. Who's first? Here you go, Pup. Alright, Mama Lou, come on. Look at my cute little girl. Man, what a pup. There you go, girlfriend. You guys are wondering why the mats are off the floor and there's water all over everything. It's because Blue just dumped an entire bowl of water on the floor.
All over the wood, huh? Didn't you? But it's okay. Because you can do no wrong, so it's all good. Yeah, water dries. But it was a lot of water, wasn't it? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, look at this sweetie baby girl. Very nice, thank you.
What book do I want to read tonight? Screw Tape Letters, 4 Agreements, 5 a.m. Club, Lifestyle Investor. I really need to finish this. right, kids. Are we ready for bed? Yeah? I think so.
Alright, babies, come on. We gotta get up.
Hey, you want more water before we go? Here. Okay, come on, Pepperloo.
Come on.
Good boy.
Come on.
So easy to grab her, only takes one arm.
She's so little.
Oh. Where am I gonna sleep, you guys? Oh, am I not invited to the puppy party? Too bad. Okay, kids. We are gonna have to rearrange this situation.
Lay down. Lay down. And then you lay down, mamas. You lay down too. We're all laying down. Okay? Yeah.
This is how it's going. I have a tiny sliver, you guys get everything else. Okay, is that cool? As it should be. Yeah. All right, Bubby, there's your spot if you want it. He usually like sleeps up here these days. You wanna come up? Come on. Bubby, over here. Lay down in your spot. Good job. I think both dogs prefer it up here because it's a lot cooler. So, you Aussies run hot, huh? Yeah. Oh, it's cloudy out. I was hoping we'd be able to see the stars and stuff. We're not gonna get any UFO sightings. Do UFOs go below the clouds? They probably don't. Do they? If you guys have any UFO sightings, drop comments below. I'm super interested. I'm such a conspiracy theorist. Like I don't know that I actually believe in everything, but I want to. You know what I mean? Like I really want to believe in everything. Did you guys know? I don't know if I've ever told the story yet, but oh, ow, you're on my hair. Okay. A couple weeks ago, I was at a campsite. No, maybe I did tell this story. I might have. I don't know. A couple weeks ago, I was at a campsite and I heard rustling right outside my window. Ow. That's literally on the roots. That was my scalp. You just stepped on. Okay. Blue! You got... Where's my light? I want to show you what he's doing. Bubby? Bubby, I hate to inform you, this is not gonna last. You're gonna have to get up. Fully stepped on my scalp 3 times and then laid on my head. Okay, get up. Ow. Now he's mad at me, whatever. Anyways, Bubby, you could just come up here, lay on this side. Come. Come. Lay over here like you usually do. Okay. Bubby's he's on his own agenda right now. Anyways, long story short, I heard rustling outside of my window and then I peeped out and I was half asleep and I swear to God, I was half dreaming still. It looked like a kid that had a funny hat on was going through a trash bag that I had left like near the truck. I forgot to usually I tie it up on my ladder and I forgot to. And it looked like a kid was sitting crisscross applesauce going through my trash. And I was like, it was 4 or 5 in the morning. And I was like, what is this kid with this hat doing in my trash at 4 or 5 in the morning? Where's its mom? And so I opened the window and I was like, hello? Excuse me? And it was a skunk. And I saw the tail. And the tail looked like a kid to me. I don't know. I had to chuck things out of the window to get it to leave. And thankfully it didn't spray. But good times. You guys, what if we get abducted tonight? What if we get abducted? They would definitely take you guys because you're so cute. Alright, the dogs are sick of me. So I'm gonna read. But I just want to point out there's a possibility we get abducted tonight. Think of the content. It'd be so good. I would just fully live stream the whole time. I'd be like, oh my gosh, you guys, track camming live from outer space. Can you imagine? Okay. I can't remember what page I was on.
Finally, you're in your spot. Good boy. He's very nice.
Victims have big TVs. Leaders own large libraries. Quote of the day. Not that there's anything wrong with owning a big TV, but I do think it's important to read. Or at least, like, if you're not, like, a reader, it's hard for me to honestly read. I do it, like, as a discipline practice because I'm not good at focusing. But it is always so important to learn and to keep growing. You know what I'm saying? Like, no matter what way you learn best in, it's important to keep learning. Which is, I think, the point he was getting at. We're gonna head to bed.
Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Good morning, Crazy Pants. What a beautiful day. You guys ready to get up? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Come here, little girl. You ready, Mom? I got you. Oh, I got you. Come here. Oh.
Let your leg go, you dork.
Here. Wow, that is a big little morning snort. Go potty.
Whoa, that was a big jump, little girl. The Holy Grail. Ah, it's heaven.
Oh, Missy, did you find your brother's toy? Oh, Bubby, it's so cute that you share with her. Look at Blue, he doesn't even care. That is so unlike him. Yeah.
If there's one thing that Blue is, it's territorial over toys, so I don't know. I guess you would just have to know him, but it, like, warms my heart that he doesn't care. He just stole it back, but, like, he lets her play with stuff and he doesn't freak out, where other dogs he would, like, have a tantrum, you know what I mean? It's very cute! You wanna play fetch? Okay, one sec.
Good boy.
Let your sister get up. Move. We're gonna stop by the trash and throw things away. And then I wanna stop by the Bubba, what are you doing? And then I want to stop by the gift store. Hopefully it's open. Because I really want to get a sticker for Poe. And I want to support. It says that it opens in 4 minutes, so I guess we'll see. To 5 p.m. Let's hope they're open. Wow, look at these freaking mountains. Are you joking me? Should I move to Colorado again? No, I've got to move to Alaska. LOL. Okay, is it just me or are aliens kind of cute? Like if I met one and they really looked like that, would I be scared? Probably pet it like a dog. Low-key disappointed we didn't get abducted last night. That would have been such a fire video. Okay, it's 10:01. Let's go in. Oh, it's locked. Oh, it says they're not here all the time. Darn it. This says there have been documented UFO sightings in the San Luis Valley since the 1560s. Spanish explorers wrote in their journals things they had seen. Since opening the UFO Watchtower in 2000, there have been 140 sightings just from the tower. This does not include the sightings in other places in the valley. In 2008, the majority of the sightings were daytime. They were silver balls people were seeing everywhere. That's crazy. I want a sticker. Sadness. Okay, well, I guess we'll have to come back someday because we have to prove that Poe's been here. It's definitely a cute and funky roadside attraction, so if you guys are in the area, definitely recommend it. Maybe you can spot a UFO where I couldn't, you know? Oh. The alien was yelling at me where to go. Okay, bye.